Hello everyone, welcome back to one of our episodes talking about fundamental analysis today. Today we'll discuss another topic that we more often talk about in financial analysis and when we talk about valuation as well, which is trailing 12 months or TTM, also called last 12 months. So today we'll talk about, as I mentioned, price to earnings. So what does it include? It includes price, includes earnings. Of course, we need the price and we need the earnings. Let's say that we have earnings per share for 2015, or we can also calculate for 2017. But we're talking today about trailing 12 months or the last 12 months, so we'll look at the historical numbers. How are we going to be calculating this? Okay, let's first assume that we have only a couple of financial statements. Actually, all you need is two financial statements. Okay, you just need one. Let's say today is November 20th, 2016, and you want to calculate the trailing 12 months for a company called XYZ. So the last financial statements, since today is the 20th of November, is actually the last fiscal year was December 31st for 2015. Okay, so the company finishes its fiscal year in December, then the latest financials would be the 9 months results ending September 30th, 2016. Okay, so these are the two financial statements that you actually need. Okay, so you need last fiscal year and you need the interim results to be able to calculate the trailing 12 months for this company XYZ. So first of all, you need to calculate the 9 months numbers. So the latest financials is September 30th, 2016. You can come up with the 9 months result. This is the interim results. But for you to be able to calculate the latest 12 months, you need also to have the fourth quarter of the previous year, fourth quarter of 2015. If you know that and you have the 9 months results for 2016, you can add them up and you can come up with the trailing 12 months earnings per share. But first, to do this, let's draw a timeline to be able to visualize this better. Assume this is a year for the first month and for the 12 months, and today we have 9 months results. Okay, so we have 2 years, 2015, which is the latest fiscal year, and you have 2016, where you have only 9 months. Okay, if we need to calculate the latest 12 months, we need to add up the fourth quarter of 2015 to 2016, because you only have two 9 months results comparable for this 2016 and 2015. But you also have the full fiscal year for 2015. Okay, so just looking by visualizing this on the timeline, all you need to get the fourth quarter of 2015 is to subtract the full year for 2015. So you have the 2015, all of the numbers, the earnings for 2015 as fiscal year. Then you subtract from that the 9 months earnings for 2015, which is the 9 months. And this is available in the comparable numbers in the 9 months results for 2016. So if you have fiscal year 2015, subtract the 9 months 2015, that gets you the fourth quarter for 2015. All you need then to do is just add the 9 months results for 2016, and you have the trailing 12 months, or what we call last 12 months earnings. This is just one part of earnings of price to earnings ratio. This is actually the denominator, but I haven't reached the EPS yet. So we just have earnings. All you need to do is just take the net income. You just calculate it by adding up the different earned terms and divide that by the number of shares, and this will get you, of course, the earnings per share for the TTM. Earnings per share for TTM. So what do you need to do now? You need just to get the numerator, which is the price of the PE ratio, P0, which is you can just get off any stock market screen. Divide that by EPS trailing 12 months. This gets you the PE ratio for this company. Thank you very much. We'll talk.